If you are in need of a professional land surveyor in Lucknow, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading land surveying company in the area, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who can provide accurate and reliable surveying services. Whether you need land boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, our team has the expertise to handle all types of surveying projects. Our team of land surveyors in Lucknow has extensive knowledge of local regulations and guidelines pertaining to land surveys. This enables us to provide surveys that comply with all legal requirements and standards. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or government agency, you can trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to provide reliable and professional land surveying services. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in its ability to effectively communicate with clients and understand their specific needs. We work closely with our clients to ensure that their objectives are met and that the surveying process is carried out smoothly and efficiently. Our team is dedicated to providing personalized service and delivering accurate survey results in a timely manner. In addition to land surveying, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of other services such as architectural design, civil engineering, project management, and construction services. Our multidisciplinary approach allows us to provide comprehensive solutions for our clients' projects, from initial design to final construction. When it comes to land surveying in Lucknow, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the name you can trust. With our team of skilled and experienced surveyors, state-of-the-art technology, and commitment to client satisfaction, we are the preferred choice for all your surveying needs. Contact Scon Design India Pvt Ltd today to discuss your land surveying requirements, and let us help you achieve your project goals. A land surveyor in Lucknow plays a crucial role in the construction and development industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land to determine its boundaries, contours, and other important details. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable company in Lucknow that specializes in providing land surveying services. With their expertise and experience, they have established themselves as trusted professionals in the field. They help in determining the exact boundaries of a property, which is crucial for legal purposes. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in delivering high-quality land surveying services in Lucknow. They understand the importance of accuracy and attention to detail in their work. They utilize state-of-the-art technology such as GPS and laser scanning to ensure precise measurements. Their team of professionals is experienced in handling various types of surveys, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. When hiring a land